But first, the question everyone wants to know, when will the Bay Area mask mandate finally end?
KPIX5's Devin Fehely on how and when health officials are going to decide that. Devin?
Yeah, when is it going to be okay to stop wearing a mask in public and indoors? That's the question that a lot of people have. Public health officials in the Bay Area say soon, maybe not right away, but soon. Now, here in Santa Cruz County, they lifted that mandate last week, but if their experience is any indication, those mandates might be removed before people actually feel comfortable removing their masks. In downtown Santa Cruz, masks are still as common as the signs in many storefronts reminding people to wear them, even a week after the county dropped the requirement.
I don't get excited about putting my mask on.
Despite her fatigue, Melissa Gwyn still wears a mask because so many stores require it.
This is symbolic for me of my lending my patience to whatever I'm required or maybe, politely asked to do.
Dr. Sarah Cody told the Santa Clara County Board of Supervisors Tuesday that public health officials, Bay Area-wide, are crafting guidelines for when mask requirements can be lifted.
Our plan is to develop a set of metrics that we all share.
Dr. Cody says the number of people infected with the coronavirus, vaccination rates, and hospitalizations will all be factors in the county's decision to repeal its mask requirements.
We're emerging out of that danger zone.
Dr. Peter Chin Hung says the emergence of the Delta variant made health officials rethink the necessity of masks even for the vaccinated, but acknowledges the requirements can continue indefinitely.
I think it is the right time to think about relaxing the mask mandates. The question to me is not if the mask mandates are going to be relaxed, it's just when.
But even if the mandate goes away, it seems unlikely that masks will, at least right away.
The last couple of times that people stopped wearing it, then the cases would spike back up.
I still wear it because the restaurants require it. I don't really like wearing it myself.
So, Devin, guidelines announced tomorrow. The actual mask requirements, you say, lifted soon. Any way to get more specific than that?
Yeah, that is the big question. What I'm hearing behind the scenes is soon, but not right away. What's going to happen tomorrow is that public health officials are going to lay out the criteria, basically explain the roadmap to the public. Then it's going to be up to each county to decide. And one other thing that we should note, businesses will still have the option of requiring a mask even if they're not required countywide.